we are on Scratch today. Let's learn a couple of simple steps to learn Scratch Ping Pong. Let's go to Events, which is the yellow button, and go when green flag is clicked. And then I will do a meow one. Let's add 2 meows and 3 meows to get see if it'll work. A success or a failure. Then let's do a hello word for 2 seconds. And let's do again to no, yeah, no, close. Yeah, correlation. All stops right here. And now let's click the green flag. Yay! Oh, it's doing it! And I will not do an experiment today. Wait. I am being determined. What is it hitting? What is it hitting us? Okay, sorry. Let's add it a little down and have some fun with our new game. And I am on a different science level, which is mathematics. Let's try this one. Let's try it. These blocks. They're called blocks. And if you want to download Scratch, I'll open Play Store at the end of the video. I want to see what this does. And then I will go to the sounds. And I'll go to this one, meow. And I'll go to 16, whatever. Then I'll go to here. And then I'll go to here. And then I'll stop comes here. And now let's click the green flag. Wow, it's doing it. It's doing the digital experiment. If you want to download Scratch, I'll give you an example. Like I will have to go on, and where is Play Store? Right here. And let's look. Let's go to search, and I will go, for example, Dragon City. And I will, if you see the blue button, press it. And you don't want to know. I will not install it. I'm just giving you an example. And now let's go to our good old friend Scratch. Let's give him a costume. A purple costume. Yay! Let's give it long. Let's go. Let's add a tutorial. You can watch this video and do it at home. You can make a ping pong.
You can use Scratch to make a pong.
Now let's watch the video. You can watch this video and do it at home. You can make a ping pong.
You can use Scratch to make a pong.
Now let's watch the video. And I will do this in the next episode.
And score points to win.
Wow.
First, let's pick a backdrop. I'll pick this one.
Okay.
Let's choose an object to bounce around.
Okay, first let's go to, let me delete Scratch. Let me delete Sprite, which his name is Sprite. Now let's go to backgrounds. Search. I will go for a blue sky background.
I'll pick this ball.
Okay.
We can make the ball move with this.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait. Let's go to search. I will pick the apple. It's so funny.
Block.
Okay. The move 10 steps block.
Let's see what happens if we put it in a loop. Nice. Now, it seems to be stuck on the edge.
Okay, let's go to correlations. Wait, where is it? Where's that if on edge bounce? Edge. If on edge, if on edge, if on edge. Let's go. A bunch of random positions. A bunch of random positions. If it doesn't fail, I will be happy. Okay.
Make it bounce at an angle. I'll make it point at an angle.
Wait.
And start the code by clicking the
Stop.
green.
Get these out of here. What was the block name? Let me get a little closer. Point in direction. Where's point in direction? Point in direction. What?
Green flag.
Okay. Let's type it. Where? Okay. Wait. Cross. 4, 5. Go. And now let's go to events and click when green flag is clicked. Okay. Wow. Let's see.
Now, let's add another sprite that the player can use to hit the ball.
Wait.
I'll pick the paddle. I'll drag the paddle to the bottom.
Okay,
And
I will
want the player to be
pick.
able to move the paddle side to side.
I will
moving the
pick
mouse.
a
So
butterfly.
I'll go across the stage when the mouse moves.
Where's the butterfly? Where? Yeah, my butterfly.
And I'll add a green flag on top.
And I will add the butterfly.
Click the green arrow to find out how to
Where?
hit the ball with the paddle, add a score, and more.
Oh. Again.
You can, if on edge, bounce inside the loop. Okay, great.
Here.
I'll go across the stage when the mouse moves.
Wait. Let's get it a little closer. Send to mouse movement. Go. Oh, it's too blurry. Sorry. Let me see. Send X. Set TS. Set X. Where's set X? Set X. What's set X to bounce on edge. Wait, let's check outposts. No, it's point in direction. I found bounce on edge. Wait! Huh? Okay, let's go to the butterfly. Now let's go control and let's go it forever. Now let's do the green. Oh, we have to go to the events when green flag is clicked. Wait, what's happening? What happens? Let's play the game.
I'll add a green flag on top.
Yeah.
Click the green arrow to find out how to hit the ball with the paddle, add a score, and more.
Yay! Bounce, bounce, bounce. Stop. Yay! Yay! Point. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. And if you're wondering, I'm the same one. I am. Because I have Bracky. And this is Tyranny's son. And let the ball bounce forever. And now, let's turn off Scratch. And these videos are for you and me and everyone in this world. What is that song? This is so... Don't you dare say it. Ow. This song is so good. Okay. Bye. Bye. And bye. Oh, cars are so nice. Bye. And bye. What we should say? Bye or zoom out? Zoom.